So as you continue with your writing career, everywhere you go, you want to deepen your cultural understanding. It will add flesh to your writing so you can dive deeper into cultural aspects and bring that to your readers. You can understand nuances, traditions, and local perspectives to add richness to your narratives. You can always sort of see when someone writes about Japan when they don't really know Japan well, and you've lived here for years. You can see that in their writing. They kind of have a superficial knowledge of the country. So try to have as much knowledge as you can about each place you go to. I would master descriptive writing, enhance your descriptive writing skills to portray landscapes, architecture, people, smells, sensations. So you want to engage the reader's senses to create immersive experiences. I would explore unconventional destinations. Try to take your readers to places that not everyone goes. Try to explore off the beaten path destinations. Unconventional destinations, and they offer unique stories and insights, often the most interesting stories. So yeah, I would try to find those. Develop a unique angle if you can. Try to, again, explore something that others haven't, maybe through food, the architecture, hidden things, or the perspective of local artists. Utilize advanced multimedia tours. Expand beyond basic photography. Get good at video, editing, even drone photography. Virtual reality, possibly, depending on how the future goes. It'll all add to your storytelling. I would understand market trends, so keep up on those. There are various publications about that, so you may want to stay up to date on that so you know how that might affect your writing. I would specialize in a niche, so find a niche that you're passionate about. It might be adventure travel, ecotourism, solo female travel, budget travel, something like that. Find a niche. Gillick specializes lately, I think, in travel involving bird watching. So that is one of his special niches. Again, I would explore different writing styles, have fun with it, and maybe try poetic or prose, journalistic, humorous, introspective. You want to add versatility to your portfolio. And yeah, slowly you're going to build a personal brand. And I hope this course will help you with that. That will reflect your unique voice and values. And it should stay consistent across all platforms that you use, whether it's video or photography, YouTube, if you're going to vlog, or your own blog online. And I would mentor to younger writers and also learn from more experienced writers. Consider mentoring aspiring writers and sharing your experiences and learn from others who have had more experience than you. So there you go.